And the prosecution of the International Crimes Tribunal, Bangladesh has pressed formal charges against ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, and this in a case filed over crimes against humanity committed during the uprising in July last year. Bangladesh's state-owned television network is broadcasting the proceedings live, making it a first such instance in the country's history. As the trial has opened, Bangladesh prosecutor Tajul Islam, submitting the complaint to the tribunal, has accused the deposed Prime Minister of orchestrating systemic attacks on protests against her government. In his opening speech, Islam said that Sheikh Hasina unleashed all law enforcement agencies and her armed party members to crush the uprising. Alongside Hasina, the case also includes ex-police chief Chaudhry Abdullah Al-Mamun, who is in custody but who did not appear in court, and former Interior Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal. Sheikh Hasina faces multiple cases in Bangladesh courts that have so far debarred photography or telecast of trial proceedings against her. However, the decision of the International Crimes Tribunal to allow live streaming of the hearing is set to break that tradition in the case of Hasina, who could face death penalty on charges brought against her. Earlier this year, in February, the three-judge ICT BD had ordered the investigation against Sheikh Hasina to be completed by April. Now, Sheikh Hasina was ousted in August last year following a mass uprising just 3 days later after Sheikh Hasina resigned and left the country. Muhammad Yunus was sworn in as the head of Bangladesh's interim government. The ICT BD had earlier issued an arrest warrant against Sheikh Hasina as the interim government led by Muhammad Yunus sought her repatriation from India. New Delhi had acknowledged receiving the diplomatic communication but refrained commenting on it. Staying on with Bangladesh, its interim government is also doing away with the legacy of Sheikh Hasina's father, late Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who is also the founding president and architect of the 1971 War of Independence for Bangladesh. Since its inception, currency notes in Bangladesh featured the portrait of Mujibur Rahman, but the new series of bank notes will not feature his portrait. It will instead showcase natural landscapes and cultural and traditional landmarks of the country.